Hi, build back better. That's the theme for today, because I know many business owners at present are wondering what the business journey in 2022 is going to look like after the last 20 months that we've had. And, many of my clients are asking questions now. What do you think cash flow is possibly going to look like? Will I potentially have enough staff, because it seems to be so difficult to get staff at present? How many more sleepless nights might there possibly be before my business starts rocking again? How do I make sure the money tap keeps being turned on? Or what systems or strategies would be good for me and my business? These are some of the questions that I'm getting at present. And, with these thoughts possibly in mind and going around in your head, Janelle and I have decided to hold a Build Back Better event on Tuesday, the 23rd of November, just for business owners like yourself. Now, it's for a morning only, okay? Build Back Better, a morning only, and it's aimed to help you get ready for 2022. And we've allied with 5 great speakers who are authorities in their field, not experts, but authorities in their field, who will give you valuable ideas and content to utilize in your business right away. You're going to learn strategies and simple ideas and get takeaways for the business that you can implement. Now, there'll be an opportunity to mingle with the speakers and ask them questions during our networking time over lunch, because we're going to provide lunch for you as well. And here's the great thing. Here's the great thing. There's going to be no selling on the day, so keep your credit cards in your pocket. Now, the offer is being put out to our Business Growth Accelerator members. Now, some people may not be Business Growth Accelerator members yet when they're watching this. However, we are wanting to give a special price to Business Growth Accelerator members. Alrighty. To give you an idea, our speakers, Pam Locke, she's an authority on HR. She's an HR manager, and she's superb at helping you understand how to get and grow and build a team. Richard Ward, an accountant in London, has a great practice there, knowing your numbers and being able to make even more money. Fantastic. Martin Kingman is a trained solicitor and a debt recovery specialist. If you're not getting the money in from your creditors, you need to listen to what Martin is going to say to ensure that you get paid on time every time and not have debts from clients. Because as you know, Janelle and I say, you need just a 7 days, not a 30-day invoicing period. It's got to come down to 7 days. Marketing. There's so much marketing that we can or can't do. Jody Rainsford, who's an authority on marketing, is coming to talk with us. How best to market your business and yourself. And lastly, Janelle O'Keefe, business mentor, she's going to talk to you on how to scale your business to 6 figures within 177 days, going through the 7 fundamental laws of business. So those are your 5 speakers that you're going to have some really, really good topics and thoughts that will be coming up on them. Timings. We're going to start at 8:30 in the morning for coffee and networking, and at 8:50 we're getting into our first speaker. And we're going to have 5 speakers. Going to have morning tea, so we're going to break first 2 speakers, morning tea, then the last 3 speakers. And then at 1300 we're doing the wrap-up, and we're going to then go for lunch. And lunch is included for you as well. And this is a time to network with other people, other business owners. And if you're going to be there, you're going to be with other like-minded business owners. So introduce yourself, because people will want to be able to, talk to each other, because no one likes to go to an event to be standing in the corner. People want to talk to each other. So go and introduce yourself, but also talk with our speakers as well, because they will be there and they'll be able to answer any questions. Now, for Business Growth Accelerator clients, the investment price is only £17. That's right, 17 pounds plus VAT to attend. We're wanting to make it as affordable as possible, so no one has any excuses. Anyone else who's not a Business Growth Accelerator client, it's still a good value at £47 plus VAT. Okay, so that's what the investment is. Please, if you would like to come along, you want to get in a ticket, then please DM me, email me, phone me, or Janelle, let us know and we'll put you on the list. The date is Tuesday, the 23rd of November. Tuesday, the 23rd of November, from pretty much 8:30 till 1 o'clock, because we know you've got to run a business as well. And the event venue is Hempstead House Hotel and Spa. That's in London Road, Sittingbourne, ME9 9PP. Mike Echo 9, 9 Papa Papa in the Heritage Room. Hempstead House, Hotel and Spa, London Road, Sittingbourne, ME9 9PP. Date Tuesday the 23rd of November 2021. Business Growth Accelerator clients, £17 to attend. Anyone else, if you're not a Business Growth Accelerator client, then £47 plus VAT to hear 5 really great speakers so you can build back better for 2022 and actually continue to have a great business.